there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we compare the best products to help you make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving deep into the world of 3D printers. On the left, we have the futuristic FlashForge Adventurer 5M, and on the right, the ever-popular Creality Ender 3v3 SE. Buckle up, because this is going to be one heck of a ride. First up, let's talk about the price. FlashForge Adventurer 5M is priced at a whopping $479, while the Creality Ender 3v3 SE comes in at a wallet-friendly $219. Reviewers appreciate the affordability of the Ender 3v3 SE, making it an excellent choice for beginners or those on a budget. On the other hand, the Adventurer 5M, though pricier, offers a range of advanced features that some users feel justify the cost. Now, let's hit the gas and talk speed. The FlashForge Adventurer 5M boasts a Core XY structure with travel speeds up to 600 mm per second. It's like the Ferrari of 3D printers, and reviewers rave about its fast printing capabilities. Meanwhile, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE, with its 250 mm per second speed, is more like a reliable Honda Civic. While not as fast, it gets the job done efficiently, and users appreciate its steady performance. When it comes to print quality, FlashForge Adventurer 5M is like an artist with a million paintbrushes. Dual fan nozzles, multiple nozzle sizes, and vibration compensation ensure your prints are top-notch. Reviewers love the precision and detail it offers. On the other hand, Creality Ender 3v3 SE is no slouch either. It offers a powerful Sprite Direct extruder and dual Z-axis lead screws for stability and precision. Users compare it to a reliable craftsman delivering consistent quality. User experience time. FlashForge Adventurer 5M has one-click automatic printing, rapid nozzle changes, and a mobile app for remote monitoring. It's like having a personal assistant who never complains, and users appreciate its ease of use and advanced features. Creality Ender 3v3 SE, though, comes with auto-leveling, quick assembly, and auto-filament loading and unloading. It's the IKEA of 3D printers, easy to set up and fun to use, with many users praising its user-friendly experience. Last but not least, let's talk after-sales support. FlashForge Adventurer 5M offers a 1-month free return and exchange, lifetime technical support, and a 1-year warranty with a 12-hour response service. Reviewers highlight the excellent customer support, describing it as a fairy godmother. Creality Ender 3v3 SE provides a 12-month after-sales service with a 24-hour response time. Users appreciate the reliable support, akin to having a best friend who's always there to help you out. Overall, reviewers find the FlashForge Adventurer 5M to be a premium 3D printer with advanced features and excellent customer support despite its higher price. The Creality Ender 3v3 SE is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and reliable performance, making it a great choice for beginners or those on a budget. So there you have it, folks. Both the FlashForge Adventurer 5M and Creality Ender 3v3 SE have their own unique strengths. Whether you're looking for speed and features or affordability and reliability, there's a 3D printer out there for you. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, remember to buy smart.